Morning guys. So ride out tayo ngayon. Sabi nila ano daw tayo. Festival. Tapos BF Homes. May gagawin pala ako guys. Isang segment. Tawagin natin itong BTS. Ibig sabihin Bike Talk segment. Pero pag-uusapan natin about talk about coffee, about business, yan mga ganun. Medyo kulang pa yung mga gamit ko yung bike accessories ko. Yung wala pa akong helmet kasi inabot ako ng mahal na araw. So, dito matiting yung mga orders ko. So yung topic natin, in simple way, paano ba natin malalaman na good or bad ang isang kape? So there are simple ways that we can do to assess for we to know if the coffee is good or bad. Number one, you can know if the coffee is good or bad kapag yung fragrance niya. By the way guys, when we say fragrance, it means hindi pa siya nabamasa ng tubig o hindi pa nag-brew. Sorry, nakakanaw ko. So yun, number one is fragrance or yung amoy niya. If amoy ng coffee, of course, kumabango, like nutty, chocolatey, fruity, it's good. Okay? Pero kung ang kape ay amoy lupa, amoy kahoy, definitely it is a stale beans and hindi na siya okay. Okay? That is a bad coffee. Number two is of course yung taste. Coffee tastes good, siyempre balance yan. May flavor notes, yung taste na difference, nutty, fruity. Kung ganon, means good coffee siya. Kapag bad coffee naman, of course, ang lasa niya, bitterness lang. So wala siyang ibang characteristics, wala pa ibang character. Bitterness lang. Sometimes mapakla, sometimes lasang lupa. So that's a bad coffee. Number three is the aftertaste. So if the aftertaste is lingering sweetness, acidity niya is okay, that is a good coffee. Pero kapag yung coffee niya ay kapag yung lasa niya ay lasang bitterness lang, tapos sobrang matagal mawala ng lasa ng bitterness niya, that's a bad coffee. So for number 4, last is you will know that the coffee is good if you felt it like alam mo mga yung coffee ay baka yung feeling mo na kaya mo siyang abusin, unlike kapag bad coffee siya, parang pilit ka. pilit mo siya na inuubos, no? So in our cafe we are serving most of the time Vietnam coffee beans at medium roast. So the flavor profile is nutty, brown sugar, ano. So hindi siya masyadong mahal, I say. And yeah, you can really enjoy it. So with milk or kapag black lang, siguro Americano, even espresso, okay din. So yun yung gamit namin na coffee bean sa shop namin. So hindi siya gaano kamahal, mura lang siya actually. So yun lang. If you like my short video, this BTS Talk, Bike Talk segment, please follow and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.